In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use a keyboard and mouse on your PS5. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you prefer playing certain games with a keyboard and mouse instead of a controller, the good news is you can actually do that from the PS5 because as long as the PS5 game supports them, it'll work. Essentially, if you're using wired devices, just plug the USB cable from your keyboard or mouse into one of the USB ports on your PS5. The console is going to recognize them automatically. But if you're using a wireless device that comes with like a USB receiver or dongle, plug the dongle into the USB port in the PS5 and you'll be good to go. But if it's like a Bluetooth or wireless device that doesn't have a dongle, what you're going to want to do is go up to the top right and select the settings gear, just like so. From here, scroll down to accessories, open it up, and then select general, Bluetooth accessories. And this is where you're going to now put your, mouse or keyboard, your Bluetooth devices into pairing mode. And as soon as you put them in pairing mode, look for them on here, select it in this accessories found option, and then hit connect. Do the exact same thing with both your mouse and your keyboard, and you can back out and immediately start using those. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.